In scope management planning phase, there are 4 processes, and of this is plan scope management. Plan scope management, the process of creating a scope management plan that documents how the project and product scope will be defined, validated, and controlled. The key benefit of this process is that it provides guidance and direction on how scope will be managed throughout the project. This process is performed once or at predefined points in the project. Like all other processes, there are ITTOs in this process. The goal outcomes and outputs of this process are Scope Management Plan and Requirements Management Plan. Therefore, 2 project plans are expected to gain after this process. What do we need to have this outcome? What are the inputs? Project Charter. This is after develop project charter during initiating phase under integration management. Project management plans like Quality Management Plan, Project Life Cycle Description, Development Approach, Enterprise Environmental Factors, Organizational Process Assets. For these inputs to get the desired outcome, we need to process these through tools and techniques. We need the following: expert judgment, data analysis like alternatives analysis, meetings. These are the ITTOs of this process. Having these outputs, we will be able to rightfully plan scope management. Great job, see you in next videos.